Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this Peep Show. We are Thursday, the 26th of March 2020. Sylvain Loganadin with you today for the last Peep Show of the week. Today we are going to discuss whether or not the stock market could drop by another 30%. So this is a question that everyone is asking themselves. If you look at the stock market and if you look at the S&P 500, so here is a chart of the S&P 500. Yesterday, we had a pretty, I'll say, interesting trading session because the stock market was basically in a range. So basically we lost 300, 400, 500 points at the beginning of the session. Then at the US Open we gained another 400, 500 points. We lose it all during the afternoon. Early this morning the stock market went up, and now the stock market is almost 4% up. So the real question is whether this rebound is going to last or not. So that's the question everyone is asking themselves. I will just say that for now, on my part, I will not believe that we are totally, I'll say, saved from what we've seen during the last few weeks in terms of consolidation. I mean, the stock market is just is in a technical rebound that can, for example, bring us back to those kind of levels, so to 2,800, 3,000 points. This is something that is definitely possible if you look at what happened in 2018. So let me show you what happened in 2018. We had a pretty similar configuration. Let me show you. Yeah, it was here. So in 2018, we knew pretty, I'll say, pretty weird stuff. First of all, in January, February, we had a huge and large drop in the value of the US equities. Then we had a big rebound, like almost 80% of all of these things was recovered. So if you look at this, let's see, with a small Fibonacci, look, we retraced like 72% of the trend. So 70% of that move was recovered. Then we lost it all and we went back to this level. So basically you see 2 months to get here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to recover 70%. Then 1, 2, 3 we're back here, 4 we are back here, and then it takes time to recover. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks. Okay, 12 weeks to recover here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. So 2 weeks to lose it all, 6 weeks to get back to this level. So here it's almost the same configuration. If you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks to lose it all, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't know. So if I have to put a multiplier, that's not. There is no special rule, I will say. The market is dropping faster than what it recovers, but yeah, if you look at the market right now, we have time. Okay, we have time. The market can recover, can go really fast, and recover really fast. We have, I think, a medium price around 3,000 on the S&P 500, and we'll see what will happen. We still have room. We still have this kind of thing here. So as you see, more than 5,000 points, something like this. So we have time. Okay, guys. So the stock market for me is definitely, and it's very possible that the stock market lose another round of 30%. And on the Dow Jones, it will give us a price target of. Let me show you my chart. This one, where I prepared it. So the time now is the time of the rebound. So it doesn't really matter if we get short or not. because maybe it's not the good time, but for the Dow Jones, if we go down another 30%, it will bring us back around the 14,000 levels. Okay, so this kind of level. So for me, definitely a rebound is possible. This is what we are seeing here. Okay, and we could have bullish target that will bring us back around the 26,000, so which is almost 70% of that move, right? Like we found the situation we've seen during the last during basically the last thing in 2018, right? It's very similar actually. So yeah, 78%, something like this. Let's see what happened. I'm just trying to see. Yeah, 70% will bring us back around here, so 26,000 makes sense. And then we can see if it's going back to the 14,000. So for now, we have approximately something like 26,000, something like 4,000 points to take. All right, so the market is up, and we still have 4,000 points to take before thinking of anything else. All right, guys. So that will be all for me today. So the market is bullish, and we'll see later how to exploit that thing. We have a huge resistance level here around the 22,500 points, something like this, and we'll see later how we can handle that bullish move that is basically here. Okay, market is trying to be up, but we'll see. All right, guys, we see each other on Sunday for our last peep show of the week. Tomorrow and Saturday we don't have any peep show. We will be back only on Sunday. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the Wheel of Arya World Facebook group or directly in the comment section, and we will answer to all of your questions with great pleasure. And be careful on the market. We see each other Sunday for a new live. Bye bye.